Hey, good morning, guys. It's Saturday. But yeah, I just wanted to go over some kind of longer position trades you guys can get in, kind of for you guys swing traders out there. So I wanted to take a look at GME as well. But yeah, one other thing, I had a question about somebody saying their chart looks different than mine. The reason probably is actually this light yellow is actually showing after hours trading. So you have to set that up. So if you go over here to these three dots, go to settings and symbol, and then right here, extended hours. If you click that, it'll allow you to see it, and you can actually change the color of the after hours in here as well. I just have it kind of a light yellow. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's probably why you're not seeing what I'm seeing, because it's showing after hours on my account. But yeah, let me show you guys here. So Gamestop, this is a good example of what a pumping up is. GME. I mean, this whole run up took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About a week, a little over a week to really play out. So, the initial spike here, about 1,000% gain, huge, huge, huge. The bigger the run up, the faster it is. The more of a dip we're gonna have. So a lot of shorts came in here, and a lot of people will just profit take from being up 1,000%, 392% drop. And of course, when you short, and also people wanted to buy the dip because they know when shorts have to buy back the cover, we're going to get a huge bounce, 233% bounce. So if you would have missed everything, you could have bought this dip, still made about 300% gain. And then just a sellout. So we're back down to pretty much where we started this thing at, sitting right now at $69, and could continue to go even lower. So definitely pumping up with the Reddit posts and all that. And then so they probably would have went to 1,000 if trading on Robinhood wasn't restricted. So the other one that I'm looking at is OEG. So it's coming to OEG. What I'm looking at on the daily is pretty much this equilibrium playing out with the initial high at 1122, came down, established a low at 705, came back up, and it looks like we did establish a higher low at about 9:55, and then it looks like last day we are coming down, and we need to hold that 705 to continue this equilibrium with the higher highs, lower highs, higher lows. So it's going to zoom in, get a better look. 4 hour gives you a better picture of the highs here, the low, and then we came back up, established a lower high. Now we're looking to form a higher low. So on this, just really sitting patiently, waiting for one of these key levels here to really break. It's either going to break bearish or bullish, right? So we're coming up, down, and this is pretty much just going to keep trading tighter and tighter and tighter until it either breaks bearish or bullish. So it's kind of what I'm looking at there. Another one that I'm really looking at, if you guys are kind of going for the swing trades a little longer, is Virgin Galactic SPCE. I have a trend line here. You can see as long as the body of the candle doesn't close below this, you're definitely still on that uptrend here. See what happens tomorrow. We could see maybe we're close here tomorrow, and we might see a little bit of a pullback before we climb higher or lower. But if you look back, actually last February was pretty much exactly a year ago when we saw that first initial run up to 42, then back down. But yeah, there's been really good news with Virgin Galactic. He has a new shuttle, Richard Branson, that he's been testing successfully. He named it after his mom. I forget what the name of it is, but yeah, if you go into the 4 hours, you see higher high, a higher low, a little bit of a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What's looking like as of now, it looks like it formed. We just have to maintain that. But yeah, even on the daily, if you go, is really what you're looking for. As long as if you go along this, as long as we're in this uptrend, definitely have nothing to worry about. And the bulls have complete control. So yeah, it's pretty much all for now. Hope you guys have a good weekend, good Super Bowl, and I'll see you guys Monday.